From the beautiful studios of Way Happy, this is Mr. Meyer with your Chromebook Tech Minutes. That's right, we're going to talk a little bit about Chromebooks and what you can do in order to make them a little more functional for you when you are doing stuff in class. So as you can see, I got my Chromebook open, I'm logged in, everything's great. Now, one of the things that I like to do is right away, I want to know what these shortcuts are or what these hotkeys are. And those are very easy to find. One of the quick ways to find them is you hold down Control and Alt and hit the question mark. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hold down Control, Alt, question mark, bam, all at once. And look at that. A beautiful keyboard pops up and you then can see what all the hotkeys are. Now, right now, you're like, I don't see anything, nothing exciting. That's right. Well, what you do is you hold down, like, say, the Shift key, and you can see that there's two green arrows, a find previous text and a scroll up one page. So if I do Shift and space bar, I will scroll up a page. Hold down Control. Whoa, look at all those. You got new windows, you got copy and paste, which are very popular. You got closing tabs, you got printing, everything that you could possibly want, and all the different links that you could get to. Hold down Alt. You can see what all my Alt keys are, and you can see what they would do for us and what they would actually have happen. You even have a search bar, a little magnifying glass. Press that down, and you can see what it does. It locks the screen or puts on a cap lock. So you can do combinations. I'm holding down search right now, and I'm hitting Control. Nothing going down. What about search and Alt? Oh, wait, you know what? I'm going to do Shift and Alt. Much better. Actually, some stuff going there. Or Shift and Control. Much better. So there are all your keyboard shortcuts. If you ever need them, you can go find where they are. Now, what are some handy dandy ones that I like? I'm going to do Control Alt / to get out of there. Some of the ones that I like are probably docking the menus to the left and the right, and the screenshot. So those are two I'm going to talk about. Screenshot's pretty easy. You go to a website, you're doing something, and I want to see it. And maybe you went to desmos.com and you graphed something really amazing, and I want you to send me proof of that graph. Then I want you to show me a screenshot. So how do I do that? Two ways. The screenshot can be done by holding down Control and the F5. It looks like a little square at the top of the screen with two lines to the right of it. And if you click that, it'll take a screenshot of the entire screen and show it in my Google Classroom folder, which you can see right here is the screenshot that I just took. The next thing you could see, if I close this out, maybe I only want to show you part of the graph. So I would hold down, in that case, Control and Shift and F5, and it'll give me a grayed out screen, and I can drag the cursor to what I want to show. And that is my screenshot for that section. And then you can see that's also saved to my Google Drive, which I can share with anyone now or post to Google Classroom. Last but not least, what if I want to talk about what I did? I can open up another, let's bank it first. If I hold down Alt and left bracket, notice it throws the graph to the left side of the screen. Alt right bracket would have gone right side of the screen. I can then Control N for a new tab, and I can Alt right bracket to tuck that into the right side. And now I could open up, say, Google Docs, and I can work on two things kind of at once. I could make a new document here, and I could then type about what I did. I opened a Desmos. I should probably spell opened right, desmos.com, and then I graphed y equals sine x. All right, that's your Tech Minutes. Have a great day and stay happy.